This is Smoothie Steve, and I'm going to be your Minute Maid today. As always, we have freshly squeezed lessons and always under 60 seconds. Pulp free! Let's look at how to create a new track in Garageband. If you're creating a new project, Garageband is one step ahead of you, as creating a track is the first step to any new project. You can select software instrument, audio, guitar audio, or drummer and get straight to work. Later on in the project, you might want to add another track, or a different kind. So how do we do that? Option number 1, click Track at the top left of the screen and click that New Track button, then select what type. Option number 2 is a hotkey. Hold down Option and Command on your keyboard, then press N. Option number 3, my personal favorite, is to click the plus button, which is nicely placed, right above our existing tracks. Also, if you ever delete all of the tracks in your project, no worries, GarageBand's got your back and will conveniently pop up that Choose Track window for you right away. Easy squeezy! Thanks for watching.